It is the 2nd of August 2026, and welcome to today's French A1 class made from real news stories. Today's main story is about an AI image tool. 3 other top news stories featured on LINGUAWIRE.com today. First, l'acteur Vincent Pastore meurt à 80 ans. Vincent Pastor, the actor, dies at 80. Next, Trump Media vend un accès tôt au message de Truth Social. Trump Media sells early access to Truth Social messages. And Infantino est sous pression en Suisse. Infantino is under pressure in Switzerland. And now today's story. Here is today's headline. Read it out loud. Now let us decode it word by word. Google is the company name. Suspend means suspends or son means its, outil means tool. D'IA means of AI. The headline uses the singular noun with son, the word for its. Google a montré l'outil. Google showed the tool. Montrer. The key action word comes from montrer, to show. More examples are on today's lesson sheet linked below. Un jour plus tard, Google retire l'outil. One day later, Google removes the tool. Plus tard. Later is a very useful time connector. More examples in the lesson sheet. Des experts parlent de fausses images. Experts talk about fake image. Fausse tells us the images are not real, and that is the warning in today's story. Google retire l'outil. Google removes the tool. Retire is a formal news verb here, and it tells us the company takes the tool away. Des experts parlent de l'outil. Experts talk about the tool. Today's word is outil. Say it with me. Outil. The French sound ou is like the ou in food. Now for the pattern of the day, montrer. To show. Je montre. Tu montres. Il montre. Nous montrons. Vous montrez. Il montre. The headline uses the il form. Montre. One last time, read today's headline again at full speed. Before you go, one question from today's story. What does Google do with the tool? Is it A, le retirer, le garde, or c'est le vend? Think about it. The answer and 2 more questions are waiting on today's lesson sheet linked below. Well done, that is today's class. Sign up for free on linguawire.com to get the lesson sheet with extended vocab and grammar for this episode, a 3-question quiz to check your understanding, and to subscribe for free to get each episode delivered every morning to your inbox so you build a learning habit. For accelerated learning, enrolled learners get a personalized interactive lesson delivered to their digital classroom each day. Link below. See you tomorrow.